thinking about the relationship that stress has to anxiety is very common. Stress is a part of all of our lives, yet not all of us feel anxious. We think that when stress occurs, there are activation of chemicals in our body, that is, chemicals flow into our body that prepare us, mobilize us to deal with the stress. Some of these things are stress hormones. We may feel adrenalized. A chemical called cortisol enters our body, and this creates activity in our body in a very smart way. It prepares us to fight or run from dangerous situations or situations that are potentially threatening. Most of the stressors in our lives, however, are not dangerous as they once were, and yet our brain responds as though they are. We think that people with anxiety disorders may be particularly sensitive to some of these chemicals. If you think of panic disorder is having that fight or flight response out of context. It's happening with no particular threat or danger at all. In fact, panic comes right out of the blue. And so panic itself becomes the stressor. It becomes the threat. And people will respond to this as though it is dangerous when it's actually a very safe condition to have.